We are looking at scale conversion. In map work, one scale can be converted into another. To convert from statement scale to representative fraction. Example, convert the following statement scale to representative fraction. 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Convert to the same unit. 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer x 100,000 equals 1 centimeter to 100,000 centimeters. 1 equals 1 to 100,000 100, 00. 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer or 1 meter to half a kilometer. Convert to the same unit. 2 centimeters, 1 kilometer x 100,000 equals 2 centimeters to 100,000 centimeters. 2 centimeters equals 1 colon 50, 000 100, 00 cm 50,000. To convert representative fraction to statement scale. Example, convert 1 colon 50, 1 centimeter to 50,000 centimeters. 1 centimeter represents 50,000. 100,000 equals 1 centimeter to half a kilometer or 2 centimeters to 1 kilometer. Convert 1 colon 20, 1 centimeter to 150,000 centimeters. 1 meter represents 150,000. 100,000 equals 1 centimeter to 1.5 kilometers or 2 centimeters to 3 kilometers. To convert from linear to statement scale or representative fraction, convert the linear scale to statement scale or representative fraction. Half 1/4 0 1 2 3 kilometers. The distance from 0 to 1 on the map scale, using ruler, is 1 centimeter and the distance on the ground is 1 kilometer from the scale. Therefore, the statement scale is 1 meter or 1 kilometer. 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer can be easily converted to representative fraction, which is 1 to 100,000. Size of scale. The size of scale may be large or small. Small scale map shows large area but cannot include great amount of details and only very important features are shown. The larger the denominator of scale, the smaller the scale. Large scale maps show small area but with more details of the area and important features are shown. The smaller the denominator of a scale, the larger the scale. The smaller the scale, the larger the map, while the larger the scale, the smaller the map. Measurement of distance. Distance on map is the interval between 2 points on a map. It can either be straight or curved. Measurement of straight distances. This involves the use of long ruler to measure the distance between 2 points or places. Examples of straight distances include air routes, crow fly, some straight roads, railways and so on. Measurement of curved distance. This involves the use of thread or the use of divider to measure the distance between 2 points or places. Examples include road, railways, footpath or rivers.